Hello, in this Google Workspace Security Configurations video, we'll continue to look at Google Drive settings, specifically around Google Drive for Desktop syncing options. To get started, firstly ensure you've logged into your school's admin console, then navigate to the left-hand side menu and choose Apps, Google Workspace, followed by Drives and Docs. We then want to scroll down to the Google Drive for Desktop section. Once we're in here, ensure you've selected your top level OU. This way, any settings that we set at the top level OU will be pushed down to your lower level OUs. We then want to look at the syncing options. Now, formerly this used to be called Google Drive Backup and Sync. They have done a recent renaming of the syncing option. So I believe it's now called Google Drive for Desktop Syncing Options. As you can see, currently the syncing options is enabled for this domain. We want to go ahead and disable the syncing options. The reason for this is by having the syncing options selected, users can download and install Google Drive for Desktop on their computer, where they can use the application to back up files from their local computer into Google Drive online. This can lead to further security breaches, such as ransomware attacks. So if a user had local files on their computer, which is then infected with a ransomware attack, when that file that's been corrupted or infected with ransomware gets uploaded into Google Drive, it can then affect other files, which can cause major issues for your school, which is what we want to avoid. So we recommend you go ahead and unselect the setting. And as always, we need to click on Save. We have now disabled Google Drive for Desktop syncing options for your school's domain. Thank you for watching this video.